Hi, in this video we will learn about having function. What is having function, how to use it, when to use it. So having function is used with group by function, and it is being used to put some condition so that group by function can work accordingly. Let us suppose in this example we wanted to group by all our values, but here I wanted to put salary. The group by should work where the salary is less than 5,000. So we will add some two more group by properties, that is mean and salary, and again max salary. All right, then after group by we will use having. So having minimum salary less than 5,000, we can put here. Now run this. You can run any query by using control and enter also. Now the group by function came just like it came earlier. Here I have different values, manager ID. Against those manager IDs, I have department IDs and the count of entries. The total sum of salary in particular department came here and the average salary is here. Now as we put the condition, the salary should be minimum 5,000 for this group by function. So here, the minimum salary we will search if it is more than 5,000 or not. So we can see there is not a single entry is more than 5,000. So this having clause works here and it reduces the total entries, total group by entries when the salary was less than 5,000. And here is the maximum salary. That is also a part of this average sum. So let us understand again that having clause is just reducing our database, and it always works with group by function. So whenever we are trying to use group by function and we wanted to put some condition, then we will use having clause as well. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again in next videos.